Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Puris are almost everyone's favorite breakfast because when you prepare these at home, they are served hot and these puffed puris are everyone's favorite. When they have this with such interest and happiness, why don't we give a small healthy twist to these puris? Here I have prepared this pink puris. Trust me, you don't need any curry with this. You can directly have this and you just can't stop with 4 or 5. So why late? Let us see how to prepare this pink puris or beetroot puris. Here I have taken 250 grams of beetroots. I have peeled the skin and washed nicely. And now take a chopper or a cut board and then chop it into nice pieces like this. You don't need to chop it into fine pieces, just this size is good. Now take a blender and add all the chopped beetroot pieces into the blender, and by adding just 3/4 glass of water into it, you can prepare a juice like this. Don't add too much water nor less water so that you can't blend it, because there will be like beetroot pieces will be left out. Now take a bowl, place a sieve on top of it and drop the juice and collect the juice at the bottom of the bowl, and then remove the pulp and put it aside. Now take a bowl and add 2 cups of wheat flour. Here I have taken wheat flour. Now add little bit of salt to taste and then mix it nicely the dry ingredients. Now time to add our beetroot juice. Add beetroot juice by kneading it thoroughly. Don't add little. You can add it more beetroot juice at a time only, because normally what people do is they add little by little and then they knead it. By doing so, what the dough will become harder. By adding more water or more juice in the beginning and then kneading it thoroughly, and if you find that there is a little bit of you need to add the dough, you can add the wheat flour and then prepare a smooth dough like this. This is a secret to prepare a soft or smooth dough. Now our beetroot puri dough is all ready. Now you can prepare these into small lemon sized balls like this. Now our puris balls are all ready. Now just dust it with the wheat flour as shown here. Don't add too much of wheat flour, just a little bit will do good. Now add that wheat flour and then start doing like this with the rolling pin like this. Now don't roll it too much because it may become flat, and then when you drop in the oil, cracks will be formed. Or nor don't prepare this too thick, because that will become into papad like shape. Now this should do good, because all the edges should be equally pressed nicely. Now take a pan and add oil for deep fry and allow it to heat nicely. Once the oil is thoroughly heated, then only add these puris. Then only your puris will be puffed and that will become tastier and you can enjoy the puris like this. Now repeat the process with the remaining puris also. For circular shape, here I have taken a edged box, tiffin box, and then I have prepared the circular ones. You can prepare if you want to prepare like this. Now that's it. Repeat the process and you can serve it hot to your loved ones. Now this is such simple that you can prepare this beetroot puris anytime you want. The best combination for this is perfect puri curry. I'll just give you the link in the description. Please go and check out, and you can prepare these both and enjoy this amazing beetroot puri with potato curry. Now beetroot has such health benefits that you can't resist having. If you include this beetroot in your regular diet, you can see amazing results. This lowers your blood cholesterol, this lowers your blood pressure also, and also it gives you more stamina when you work out also, and also it gives you good health for your brain and your heart also. So don't hesitate to try this healthy recipe. Please like, share and comment, also subscribe. Thank you.